Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vivian and I am the founder of vinicksnatural beauty and spa. So today I want to introduce you guys to this. So I've made a review on the lotion, and here is the serum. It was quite very hard for me to lay my hands on this serum because it's very scarce right now in the market. But it's available in our stores. It's going to be available on our website, so you can please order for it. So this is Escabelle snail serum. I hope you guys can see it. Now this serum is very good for those that have dark spots. If you have stretch mark, old marks, injury marks, you can easily get your hands on this. One thing about these serums I make review of, they are hydroquinone free. They don't have hydroquinone inside of them, so they are purely very good serums. So this Escabelle serum contains of allantoin, kojic acid, contains AHA, which is an exfoliant, and it contains argan oil, and it contains snail drip oil and fragrance. Now snail extracts, in terms of drip oil, snail extract is very good to renew your skin cells. Now what it does is, snail itself contains collagen, which helps to firm your skin. So this is very good for those that have stretch mark, newly fresh stretch marks. I won't say the old ones. If you're having the old ones, please go to a skincare clinic. Have it in mind, there's no 100% cure for stretch mark. So but if you are looking for something that can clear up your fresh stretch mark, we have cream formulated for that, which will help to clear off your fade it off to minimize the look. It won't be out there that much, but it takes time for it to work because the skin has to come back together. It's like dragging two stuff together to close up the open parts of the skin. So it's very effective. You can get it at affordable price. It's on our website, so I'm not going to call the price. It's very affordable. So let me open it and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, it has a seal here for you to know that it's original. You can see it has a white seal and the logo right here. So I'm just opening it from the under to show you guys. It comes in a plastic like this, so it's very good. It had some written on it on French, translated to English, which says Escabelle serums assures a fast and safe clarifying treatments without hydroquinone, evidence of its formula AHA to clarify, acid fruit to rejuvenate, allantoin for purifying skin. You will get an even clear, firm, radiant skin visible after 1 week. I wouldn't say you get a result after 1 week. It will not definitely give you a result after a week, so you have to try it for at least 3 or 4 weeks for it to get an effective result. So it comes with a seal. You can see the cover, so you have to make sure you don't get the fake one. So I want to show you guys how it looks like. So it's pure white, it has no color. So when you want to buy it, you have to make sure you check for all these details so you don't get the fake one and use. So it's very pure. has this kind of fragrance which the cream also have. So I think they use both fragrance for both the serum and the cream. So two of them has the same fragrance, so you have to be careful. I think it can be applied alone. It's not harsh on the skin, it's just there like applying a normal oil on your skin. But always patch test every product before you use them directly on your skin for a very long time. So you can see the way it's shining on my skin, so you can use it directly on your skin without mixing anything inside. But if you're using this on stretch mark, on newly fresh stretch marks, I will advise you add stretch mark ampoules in it, like 2 or 3 of the ampoules inside this foam container, and use it directly on your skin. Your skin should improve within 8 weeks of usage. So I hope this was helpful, and give it a try. Don't forget to leave a comment and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.